Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Master Robert. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how you can remove your video background and replace it with a new one. If that's what you are looking for, then I have you covered. Now follow me, let's go to my video studio.
Now scroll to your where your apps are located in your phone, where you have your CapCut. To me, I have the CapCut app here. Click on it and it will have open to this particular interface where it will prompt you to select either video or photos. And then first of all, I will encourage that you import your video background you want to use. That means it could be in form of a picture or whatever. And then scroll down to where you can locate your background you are going to use. And in my case, let me choose any background here that I will be using. Any background at all you want your video to carry is what you are going to choose. So in my case, I would prefer to go with this one. Okay, this is the background picture I'm going to use. Now you can click on add and the thing is loading. It will take you to this interface. This is how the background is going to appear, and you may choose to adjust it to whatever size you want it to be. You may decide to expand it or leave it the way it is. And then after that, you go to you come back and click on overlay button. Overlay button is right in my front here. Click on it and then it say add overlay. Still click on it. Then it's going to take you to this interface, but this time you don't need a picture, you need a video you are going to import for a background to be changed. Therefore, switch the font to this video. Now you come to this video and then select any of the video you want to use for this to remove its background. Then it will prompt you to choose any video. So in my own case, let me choose this one.
Hello friends.
Let me go with this one. Okay, you can see that this is the background this original video have. Then we want to change it. Then click on this add so that it will take you to this interface. Now here we have the video. Now you can decide to play with the video, maybe expand it and let it look like this, or you leave it however you want to make it be. But then let me put it at this particular point. Now this is the video. Before you know the video, the background is not showing, the one you want to use is not showing. So what are you going to do? Then you come back to your these options down here where it says remove BG. Click on the remove BG and then click on the remove BG and then you will see three options: auto remover, custom remover, chroma key. Let's use this auto remover to ease our work. Click on auto remover. The background has automatically been removed, as you can see. If you want to test whether it's true, click on restore. You see the background has come back again. Click on restore again. The background has been removed. If you are okay with that, click on this mark sign to apply the background you have removed. There we go. Now let's try to play it. Wow, that's it. But as you can see, as the video is playing, the background is no longer there. That means the background is not as long as the video. So you can click on this background so that it will enable you to expand and drag it to the length of the video, so that however the video length is, the background will also follow it. Otherwise, if we just leave it like that, it will not be able to show as the video will be playing. So now we have this particular background selected, and let's play it. This is our video. The background has perfectly been removed. This is how you remove the video background using CapCut. Now if you want to save it, you will now come to this up parts and then export it. Look at that arrow sign at the right corner of the screen, and then the video is exporting. It's counting. It's counting. Thank you for watching. This is all that we have for you now. Till we come to you in the next video, don't stop learning. Bye bye.